Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a YouTube blue tick. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so getting the YouTube blue tick that appears next to your channel name. So this blue tick is a verified badge, meaning providing that your channel is the official presence of a creator, brand, artist, or public figure. Now, there are some requirements to getting verified. So what we first need to get to is 100,000 subscribers. So currently I'm only at 18,000, so I need to keep building my channel. Also, you want to be authentic, representing the real creative business or organization, and be public as well. You can't be a private channel. And you also need to have a channel banner and profile picture and your channel description, and be active with uploaded content. In addition, YouTube now requires the Google account associated with a legible channel to have a two-step verification enabled before you can even submit a verification request. Now, how to apply? We need to open the official YouTube verification request page. Now, this looks like apply for channel verification. So I'm over at support.google, YouTube answer here. So from here, I'm going to scroll down. So yeah, it's saying to me my channel isn't eligible yet because I don't have the 100,000 subscribers. And also my Google account must have two-step verification turned on. Now, once you reach that, you're going to be able to apply here on this page. And then once you submit your application, if you are eligible, just wait for YouTube to review it. So this can take from anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending how busy they are.